Good morning, dear students. Welcome back once again to Standard 4 Social Studies class. Before we proceed, let me remind you about the 3 safety precautions you should be following during COVID times. Number 1, wear your mask, especially if you step out of the house. Number 2, maintain safe distance. And number 3, keep your hand sanitized. Wash them with soap and water or use a sanitizer. And I am sure you must have learned these points by heart and you must be following them every time you need to step out of your house. And what is the best thing to do? The best thing to do is to stay indoors and do whatever you enjoy doing, and also at the same time keep learning. So let us begin with today's video tutorial. Today we are going to do the last part of the Himalayan region, and we are going to learn about the northeastern states of India. The northeastern states. In the eastern part of the Himalayan ranges are the northeastern states known as the Seven Sisters. And the names of these states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. And as you can see in the map that I have put here, we are moving from top to bottom. Up we have Arunachal Pradesh, then comes Assam, nearby we have Nagaland. As we move further south, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram towards the tip of these 7 states. So let us begin learning about these states. Arunachal Pradesh. And do you know what is the meaning of Arun? Arun means sun. Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state of India. You can see in the map there, the red part shows Arunachal Pradesh and it is the easternmost part of India. Here the sun rises the earliest in the whole country. Many tribes live in this state. They have their own customs and speak their own languages. They grow rice, maize, millets, tobacco and oil seeds. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Some very colorful faces you can see here, and also the mountains. It is a hilly area. Arunachal Pradesh is a hilly area and very colorful and very beautiful. Next we move to Assam. Assam is the biggest state in the northeastern region. It is the leading producer of tea and oil in India. Assam is famous for its silk. The people speak Assamese. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Bihu Dance festival is celebrated with great pomp and joy. And it is also famous for its Kaziranga National Park. And what do we find there? It is the place in India where we find one-horned rhino. And you can see the logo of Assam Tourism put there. And it shows the 2 most important and famous things of Assam, that is their tea and one-horned rhinoceros. Here you can see the picture of tea garden in Assam and Bihu dance, which is their state dance. Meghalaya. Meghalaya is located in the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo hills. Shillong, which is a beautiful hill station, is the capital of the state. The state has rich deposits of coal. The Khasis and Garos are the main tribes living in the state. And you must have heard of Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji is one of the moistest or the wettest area found in the world, region of the world. And in Cherrapunji you can see these beautiful falls also. The 7 pencil falls they are called. Nagaland is located on the eastern side of Assam. Kohima is the capital city. Nagas, who are the dominant tribe, speak the Naga language. And these people, they wear very colorful clothes. Mizoram. Mizoram lies in the eastern corner of India. The main population consists of tribals who follow Christianity. So the majority of the people living in Mizoram, they are tribals and Christians. English and Mizo are the main languages spoken. The bamboo dance of Mizoram is very popular. You can see the picture of bamboo dance, it is in your book also. Shifting cultivation is followed to grow rice and orange. And what do you mean by shifting cultivation? In shifting cultivation, a piece of land is used and then it is later abandoned, and the we shift to another piece of land. This system involves clearing of a piece of land followed by several years of wood harvesting or farming until the soil loses fertility, and then they move to a newer piece of land. So in the picture you can see it is an abandoned place where cultivation was done, and now it is abandoned and the farmers, they have shifted to a new piece of land. Handloom, cloth, bamboo, wood and cane articles are made in every house. Aizawl is the capital. Next we move to Manipur. Manipur is situated to the south of Nagaland has its own customs and traditions. The main occupation of the people is farming. Manipuri dance is considered to be one of the most elegant dances of our country. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. The people living here, majority of them are Hindus, and they worship Lord Krishna. And in the Manipuri dance, which is very elegant, it is a dance dedicated to Lord Krishna. Imphal itself is a valley and it is surrounded by mountains, mountain ranges. As you can see in the picture, it is a very beautiful place. The seventh and the last state we will learn about is Tripura. Tripura is surrounded on three sides by Bangladesh. You can see in the map that I have put for you, Bangladesh lies towards the north, towards the west and towards the south of Tripura, and towards its east it shares its boundary with Assam and Mizoram. Agartala is the capital of this state. The main languages spoken by the people are Bengali and Kokborak. The latter is spoken by tribal people. So Kokborak is the language, tribal language, which is spoken by the tribals living in Tripura. The state produces rice and jute. Forest produce is used for making furniture and delicate bamboo items. You can see in the picture a collection of bamboo items or cane items made in Tripura. In other eastern states also, we have such bamboo items being made and sold as handicrafts. So with this, we come to the end of lesson 12, that is the northern mountain, and we learned about the Himalayan region and the features of Himalayas, the Himalayan mountain range, and also about the states and union territories located in this region. So we'll be beginning a new chapter when we have the next set of video tutorials, and in the next video tutorial we'll be discussing the exercises. So till we meet again with the discussion of exercises, take good care of yourselves, keep learning and keep smiling.